Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money from Western Union to HSBC in 2025. If you're dealing with international transfers or just need to get funds into your HSBC account quickly, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your HSBC account details ready. That includes your account number, routing number, and any SWIFT code if it's an international transfer. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups, nothing worse than a delayed deposit. Step 1. Head over to a Western Union location or use their user-friendly app or website. In 2025, Western Union has integrated even better with major banks like HSBC, so this should be a breeze. If you're using the app, log in and select the option to send money to a bank account. Next, enter the recipient details. That's you. Input your HSBC account information accurately. Specify the amount you want to deposit and choose your payment method, cash, card, or even a digital wallet. Remember, fees can vary, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once you've filled everything out, review the transaction details carefully. Hit confirm, and Western Union will process the transfer. For HSBC, funds typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster systems, it might be quicker. A quick tip: always keep your receipt or confirmation email from Western Union. This will help if you need to track the transfer or resolve any issues with HSBC customer service. And if you're new to this, HSBC's app now has a handy feature to monitor incoming transfers in real time. There you have it. That's how you deposit money from Western Union to HSBC in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it saves you time and hassle. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.